Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2009 Toyota Sienna LE. Now the most notable features on this LE is its power sliding rear doors. You also have your steering wheel audio control along with your foldable rear seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2009 Toyota Sienna LE. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this LE is its daytime running lights. And if you take a closer look just at the front, you're going to see your hood deflector. And over on the side, you have the 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You have your foldable mirrors, and taking a look just at the second row here, I'm just going to open this up for you. So, as you can see, you have your captain's seats in the second row there. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like on the inside, I'm just going to close in on it for you. Now, the close button is just going to be located just on the inside of the pillar here. All you have to do is push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is silver. Now, taking a closer look, you have your front dash as well as your front seats with your cloth interior, power driver's seat with lumbar support. Over on the left hand side you have your mirror controls, and then on the inside of the driver's side door you'll have your power locks, window locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seek function mode select, as well as your cruise control. And if we take a closer look just at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So, as you can see, you have your odometer reading just located on your left-hand side. As you can see, you have the low fuel indicator on here as well. And if we take a closer look just at the center dash as well as the display, you'll see your AM, FM, as well as your CD player on here. And you have your hazard lights with your auxiliary input just located on your right-hand side. Down below, you're going to see your digital clock, temperature control settings, matted to an automatic transmission. You'll find your power outlets located just down below. Up top, you're going to see your digital compass as well as your fuel economy up top. And you have the power sliding rear doors just located on the top there with the sunglass case holder. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your trunk. Now, if we take a closer look just at the rear cargo space, you have a 60-40 split for your rear seats. So, as you can see, with them folded up, you still have plenty of cargo space just located down below, as well as some storage space on the left-hand side as well. Now, if you want to actually fold these seats down, you'll see that the instructions are located just on the back there. But all you want to do is just make sure you fold down the seat first, and then pull on this piece here, and then it will fold down into the floor for you. Now, when you fold it back up, you want to make sure that locks into place, just so that you can actually tilt this back to the desired position. The reason why I say desired position is that you can actually tilt it back a little bit further, just so you're more comfortable on the drive. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.